So here's a video that actually summarizes in a very good way, I think, what's actually happening. So these are two pieces of tissue. So consider this the tissues inside a tooth, inside a root canal that we want to remove. On the left-hand side here, we're using traditional tools that can be found in dentistry and in med tech. Specifically here, we're using ultrasonics or piezos, as they're normally called. And as you can see here, that has no impact on this tissue. On the right-hand side here, we're using the gentle wave procedure. This is the tip of the older procedure instrument. That's what we're doing is creating broad spectrum pressure waves that's vibrating the cell walls, actually literally solving individual cells. At the same time, we're introducing a little bit of fluid and then washing this out in a very effective and efficient way. This is real time, this video right here. And the other thing that we're doing, it's tough to show here in a video, is that we're removing the gas within the fluid canals, but we're also cleaning into these small pores inside the teeth that are called tubules, and creating a new level of clean that no one has ever been able to see before in root canal procedures. And this is what it looks like if you take treated teeth and you split them open. On the left-hand side here, you see conventional root canal procedures. This black material here is rotted tissue and bacteria that's been left inside the teeth, and this is what causes failure in traditional root canal procedures. So if you've ever had a root canal procedure, this is probably, in a traditional sense, this is probably what your tooth looks like. And your body is going to be fighting this infection for the rest of your life. Whereas on the right-hand side here, in the case of gentle wave, we've completely removed all the tissue, all the bacteria, and you can see this nice pearl-like structure inside the teeth.